Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to get your refund on SeatGeek tickets. So welcome back everyone, let us now talk about the SeatGeek and how do you get a refund from your tickets. So for regular tickets, no, there is no refund options available. Your best option is to resell the tickets through SeatGeek Marketplace. Next is if you purchase the refundable ticket service. So you want to log into your SeatGeek account, navigate to My Set Tickets, and then select the specific order. Click Refund Tickets. It is only available if you added the refundable ticket service and it's more than 48 hours before the event. So make sure you added the refundable ticket in order to have your ticket refunded. So you want to confirm the refund and then your tickets will be returned and a refund will be processed to your original payment method. So note the service is a non-refundable unless covered under the buyer guarantee. Next is if the event was cancelled by the organizer. So SeatGeek will automatically reach out to you or you may be notified from your email and then about your refund via the buyer guarantee. So the refund is processed automatically. So either to your original payment method or as site credit, depending on the case and local regulations. And that is all of the answers or the step by step of how to refund SeatGeek tickets. And yes.